Hi, my name is Matt Kalmenson, and I'm the Vice President of Sales for Veeam's Cloud and Service Provider business for the Americas. Today I have the pleasure of speaking with a good friend and business partner of ours, Dante Orsini, Senior Vice President of Business Development at Island. Dante, welcome. Thank you for joining us today.
Hey, Matt. Great to be here.
It's great to see you again. Listen, it brings me such great pleasure to speak with you, and anytime I get the chance to spend some time with the folks at Island, it's really exciting. A two-time VCSP Partner of the Year, and the only Innovation of the Award winner that won multiple years. So congratulations on that. What an incredible business you've built. And I would love for you to take a moment and talk to the audience a little bit about Island. Just tell us a little bit about the company so they can all be familiar.
Sure. Yeah, thanks, Matt. So Island's a global cloud service provider, and we really do three things. We focus on delivering a secure infrastructure as a service platform, disaster recovery as a service, as well as backup as a service. And we go to market both directly and indirectly through a lot of the same mutual corporate resellers and channel partners. And I think for us, our relationship with Veeam goes back all the way to 2009, if you can believe it. Time flies, right? But Veeam's been a very integral part of our business. Years ago, we recognized that customers, when they look at cloud, they're looking for solutions, and they really want things to be easier, right? So we made a decision to build our own platform, leveraging best-of-breed technologies like Veeam. And we're all in. We leverage the Veeam platform for everything, right? So we provide backup, archive, DR, production infrastructure. At the same time, we wrap all this up in a simple, console. We've been in business for almost 25 years now. This is actually the 25th anniversary year for us. But the cloud business, it has been about half that time. So we were very early to market. And when we started to work with customers, when they first looked at cloud, they felt like they just simply didn't have visibility into the same things that they would locally. That doesn't really build a lot of confidence, right? So at the same time, folks are so challenged in just trying to keep up with the business that these solutions need to work, and they also need to have complete visibility into what's happening, both from a performance perspective, but also make it very simple to manage, as well as understanding the cost, right? These are the three main challenges that people see when they're even looking at a cloud service. Finally, we got to make sure that these platforms are highly secure, right? So building that single, simple, platform that combines all these things together makes it very consumable. But at the same time, when we talk to IT leaders, we realize that folks, technology is great, right? But they really want a partner. So last year we released a platform we call Island Catalyst. It's a free cloud assessment app that our partners use. Some of the Veeam team uses this, as well as our customers. But it's designed to give the customer a unique view into their environment and allow them to build various different models to figure out, does cloud work for my business?
Take a minute and tell us about a success story, maybe a customer you like to brag about, or somebody that you helped in a critical situation maintain their uptime. Is that something you can chat with?
Yeah, sure, absolutely. So, we're based in Houston, Matt. Even though we're a global company, if you remember Hurricane Harvey, right, not too long ago,
sure.
A lot of us were actually out at VMworld. I think you were there as well, right?
Yes.
So being based in Houston, we're pretty used to natural disaster, but this was unique because our entire operations team was displaced because of this. So imagine all the challenges people are trying to fail over their infrastructure, get a hold of our support team, right? So number one, Island's internal DR strategy worked. We were able to serve all of our customers through that horrendous time, which was Harvey, right? At the same time, we had some prospects that were looking to us to leverage us for disaster recovery, and they hadn't quite pulled the trigger yet. And we took a call Sunday night. We had an organization that's one of the largest oil refiners, right, in the Gulf. And they said, look guys, I know we've been talking for months. Our data center's taking on water as we speak. We have to do something now. So even dealing with the normal operations of that challenge, we were actually able to leverage Veeam to initiate replication, move 80 terabytes of data. Thank goodness they had a great connection, right? But we were able to actually protect them. And the next day we were able to move all their infrastructure.
Version 9.5.4, what we're calling Update 4, has just been released. Tell me a little bit about it. What does it mean to you? What does it mean to your customers, our mutual customers, as we continue to expand our businesses and, frankly, making sure we're bringing value to our mutual end customers? What does Update 4 mean to you?
Matt, this is by far, in my opinion, the largest update we've ever seen out of Veeam, right? Here's why. This really creates that holy grail for an organization. Everybody wants to minimize the amount of technologies that they leverage. Now we have a single technology that we can use for local protection, right? We can use it for offsite backup, offsite disaster recovery. We can also really reduce the cost of maintaining and managing data for such a long term with the new cloud archive tier. So Ilan's been working relentlessly with your dev team, and thank you for delivering this release, right? Because this allows us to really bring that single integrated platform, and at the same time, you continue to invest in multi-cloud technologies, right? I mean, yes, we're a leader in our field, but we realize that IT leaders are looking at the whole landscape of various different cloud technologies, and having a single platform that allows us to protect them regardless of where they are, I can't tell you how powerful that is. This is by far, mark my words, it's your biggest release. And you're going to see that in the next 6 months. We're really excited about it.
Fantastic. And frankly, it's going to help both of our businesses, but more importantly, the companies that we're both here to serve. And if we take care of those customers together, we're going to continue to do great together.
That's it.
Always a pleasure.
Thanks, Matt.
Thank you so much for your partnership. This is Matt Kalmenson from Veeam Software. Thank you very much for spending time with us.